We're staying in our modifying objects.dwg file, and we're going to have a little look now at the move and copy commands available to you in AutoCAD. Now, move and copy are available on the modify panel on the home tab on the ribbon. They're up here. So there's move and there's copy. The benefit that you do have, though, is you can select objects and then right click, and move and copy are also available on the shortcut menu, which is a little bit quicker if you want to go down that route. Now, we've got a desk here, and we've got a chair, and we've also got a nice little rubber plant there as well. What I'm going to do is I'm going to move the desk and the chair and the rubber plant into this office over here. I'm then going to copy them into this office here. So let's move the desk first. So I select the desk like so. It's a block, so it's got the one grip. Now, I might not want to move it using the grip. I might want to use a different point. So with it selected, I can right click, I can go move on the shortcut menu, and it asks for a base point. Now, I'm going to use this midpoint here on the side, like so. And I'm going to move that over here, and it asks for the second point, and I'm going to place that hovering over that midpoint there and then just dragging it up the wall. Now, I can do it that way if I want to. Can you see I can drag it up the polar tracking using object snap tracking and place it, say, there, like that. Now, that's a fairly random place in that office, but what I can do there is move that around later if I want to. I can do the same with the chair. I can select the chair, like so. And again, it's a block with the single grip. I can use the grip if I want to. So I could, if I wanted to move it, just click on the grip and move it. But I might want to move it using a different base point. So again, it's a right click, move on the shortcut menu, pick a point, say the midpoint on the front of the chair, and I might just drag that up to, say, there, like so. Now, the chair itself is obviously the wrong way round. Don't worry about that. You'll see how to do that with the rotate command later. Now, last but not least, I want to move my little rubber plant here. So I select it, right click, move, pick a point on it, and I'm going to put that over here near the chair and the desk, like so. Now, what I am going to do is I'm just going to pan and zoom a little bit now and zoom in because I can see what I'm doing better that way. And what I want to do now is I want to copy all three of these objects in that orientation into this office here. So I'm going to select 1 and 2 and 3. All three objects can be copied at the same time. Right click and I use copy selection. Don't use clipboard copy. That's using the Windows clipboard. You want copy selection. And it'll ask for a base point. Now I'm going to use that midpoint again on the desk there. Now you'll notice the originals stay where they are. I can now pick, say, a midpoint there, and then using the object snap tracking and the polar tracking, take that up a little so it's not clashing with any walls. And that's my copy there. You'll notice it's saying, oh, do you want to copy some more? Now, I don't, but I can copy ad infinitum there because it obviously has a repeat option on the copy command. I just press enter to finish, and there's my copied objects with my original objects left behind in the office to the right.